Hello, it's me again, Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I'm sorry if it's a little dark. That's pretty much just par for the course at this point because it's late in the day here. But I've got paint left to use and hopefully together we can use it. The last two videos I made, whether I post them in sequence or not, had to do with, I want that dry, using my cookie cutters and a ring pour setup, which I am thinking would be pretty cool to continue to play with, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just playing. Hoping not to make too much mud, but I haven't stirred anything. There is no silicone in there. I expect this to be fast. Yeah, I'm gonna be weird. Let's do a black and white background, shall we? I am slowly but surely allowing that paint, no, I don't want any bugs on me, thank you, out underneath the other paint. And then I'm going to lift it right off. That's so pretty. Ah, I want that paint in there. I'm greedy girl. Okay. I have an edge catcher, but it's pretty well used. I don't expect this to take us too awful long. I don't know what's going to happen. I've always wanted to do the black and white thing. Looks sort of like some nebulous galaxy right now. It's very cool. I'm liking it. I've got love bug season, so if I'm fidgety or if I sound fidgety, it's because I'm fidgety because there's bugs landing on the love bugs landing on me. I like that over here, and I want to keep some more of it. And I don't know what happens when the black travels over the white. I'm going to recenter my paint because I always hear Gina's voice. Thank you, Gina. I'm going to let you watch that and get another edge catcher because I like the one I've got and I don't feel like ruining it. Not the edge catcher and not the painting. Fortunately, my studio is right here. Yeah, I don't think we can do anything to ruin this one. So let's just let everything go right back down there again. Slow moving paint today. And I got an itch. That's not right. Let it pool. Throw it back on. Squeeze it right over. Ooh, try not to slip. Okay, so I'm going to recenter my paint. I'm going to recenter my paint, not really. I'm going to let the paint that I have that's over here actually keep coming over here. Find out what's tickling me. Maybe my glasses should be on my face. I don't know what this is going to look like when it's done, but it's kind of cool on the way to wherever it's going. Me and my cookie cutters, huh? I've got naked canvas because I didn't squeeze my paint. So I'm going to squeeze my paint. Do I want anything else over there? I kind of want to find out what's going on with those colors. Yeah, I'm going to do it. That's better. I'm happy. I'm going to let that go that way and then let it come right back, all of it come right back down if it will. Because I am loving those blues and those purples. They're just tremendous. And if I let it pool long enough so that there's no gaps, and then I throw it back on, if we're lucky, I don't know about those funky brown colors. Those are not thrilling me right now. I want to know what's in there. I've got medical tubing. Where is it? Right here. I need to know what's in there. Even though there's no silicone in here, if you agitate paint, like I just did, you may get cells. Chances are actually pretty good. And this is definitely an experiment. And I'm loving all of this down here and want very little of it to change. I'm not sure how much of it I can keep, but I'm willing to try. And try I will. Same thing with this over here. I've got black. I'm just going to fill in the edge. Hopefully I'm somewhere near something you can see. Sorry when I'm out of camera range. I'm liking all that negative space a lot. It's not bothering me a bit. I really don't want that much more to move away from all that. I'm kind of dubious as to whether if I move it forward I can get it back again, but I guess I'm going to find out in a second. And back again without dropping it onto the painting. That would be good. I want my purple back. Come on back, purple. If I have to add purple back, I will. But we're getting some nice patterning broken up. I know you can't see some of that because my edge catcher is still hanging on for dear life. That's neat. I'm not unhappy with that. I have some neat paint left over from earlier. I'm very tempted to grab. Is there a spatula handy? Where is it? My favorite spatula is MIA. Okay, well, that means some other spatula, like this one. Doesn't bother me. Hate to waste paint. I like skins fine. You can make jewelry from them, but I have a lot of them and I haven't done so. So I feel like to use up my paint from what's dropped on a freezer paper or wherever it might be on my edge catcher is a good use of paint. Especially when the colors are nice and bright. And I'm happy with all of that. Really happy. Yep, it's time to torch. Maybe it's time to clean my skewer off. We got 9 minutes left. I got some white paint over here. I wonder if my skewer is clean enough. Yes, it is. Check me out. I got mad skewer skills. Somebody told me. I like that. That's a good compliment. The Queen of Skewers. Ooh, that sounds dark. And my edges are mostly covered, believe it or not. Just as you go along, things work out. That's sweet. I like all of this. And I'm going to look at that white. That is just cool. So a single cookie cutter is still a useful tool. Get out your cookie cutters. All right, let's torch. That is way cool. I'm liking that. Yeah, I can hear the naysayers in the audience going, "You're gonna ruin it." I'll be fine. And you'll be surprised. It is what it is. You have to embrace the beauty. Torch to get rid of bubbles, to allow cells to form if you're using Floetrol or pouring medium. You can see, if you have a really good television, that little tiny cells are forming in the black and the white and elsewhere. And I don't mind them at all. I like them. And even if I can't see the bubbles popping, I know I'm doing my due diligence. And that everybody needs to. I love that Prussian blue in there with the black and the purple. Wow. This is kind of subtle. I love this. So, under the video, where it says description, there's an Amazon link. Anything that you buy there, listed when you follow that link, helps me out. And I could use some help because I don't have any other income than my YouTube videos so far. And, ooh, perfect. and under show more, it will give you a description of the painting. It will give you my paint recipe. It will show you where you can click a Patreon or a PayPal link to donate money to help me support my studio and keep painting and creating videos for you guys. Yes, I did that. Yes, I don't mind that I did that either. I might if I keep going though. Yeah, that's fine. I'm good. So, also there is a Facebook album. I mention this a lot. At the bottom of the description that will take you to all the wet and dry artworks. My artworks are for sale. I do have Pinterest boards and a link there that'll show you stuff with my artwork on it. If you go to my Facebook pages, you will find a Shop Now button. You don't have to shop, just go check it out. It's cool. It's where I've put a lot of artwork over the years, my digital art and my Expressionist art and any other art, my photographs, etc., etc. So hit Shop Now. That is something. I'm so happy I did one more movie. Hey, you guys who contributed to keep me going, thank you so much. And everybody who sends me love, thank you so much. You make my day with your sweet comments. I don't even mind the criticism. I don't mind the suggestions. Doesn't mean I'm going to take them, but it's all good. It's all good. If you have questions, feel free to ask. Try and read under the description first. I try and answer a lot of questions. I'm just absolutely in love with that. Can we get any closer? So, I think we're done. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Gallery's in my house. There's probably 500 paintings on display. If you're close to me, I do lessons. If you message me, I will get back to you with information. Just had a student. We had a ball. And I look forward to hearing from you guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Priscilla out.